Welcome students, how are you? Today we will take a new math lesson. So bring your math book. We're going to talk about subtraction in pages 15 and 16. The title is Subtraction without Regrouping in page 15. So we're going to start with page 15. Again, subtraction without regrouping. Let's take an example to understand what the meaning of subtraction. Okay, for example, if we have 357 minus 251, what that means? Listen, start with the hundreds. We have 3 hundreds. That represents we have 3 hundreds here. This is 100, 200, 300. Okay, and we have 5 tens. That represents 5 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tens, as you can see. And here 7 ones, because 7 in the ones place. That represents 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 ones. We're gonna take away 251 from 357. It means we're gonna take away again 251 from 357. But what's the meaning of subtraction? Look, 1, we're gonna take away 1 from 7. So at the first we have 7 ones. Take away 1, so there will be 6 left. And then we're gonna move to tens place. We're gonna take away 5 tens from 5, right? So take away 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it will left 0 tens, right? Then we're gonna take away 2 from 3. Look, we take away 2 from 3, so it will be just 100 remain. It means 7 minus 1 is 6, 5 minus 5 is 0, 3 minus 2 is 1. So the answer is 106. The answer is 106. Okay? We're gonna learn a new word, which is difference. Repeat after me. Difference. Difference is the answer of the subtraction. The answer of the subtraction. Let's take another examples. Again, we're gonna talk about subtraction without regrouping in page 15. There are 3 questions. Look. Find the difference. This is the question. Find the difference. The difference is the answer of the subtraction. Again, the difference is the answer of the subtraction. Okay, let's first take this example. Can you read this number? Good job. 5,644 minus, look, we read it minus 2,523. The first step is line up the digits. It means the ones over each other, then the tens over each other, then the hundreds, and finally the thousands. Students, you have to start subtraction starting from the ones place. Look, starting from the ones again. 4 minus 3 is excellent, 1. 4 minus 2 is 2. 6 minus 5 is 1. 5 minus 2 is 3. Easy. Okay, so this is the answer of the subtraction. What the meaning, that it means this is the difference, sorry. So the answer is the difference. When they ask you, find the difference, you should make a subtraction. So this is the answer and this is the difference. The answer is the difference. Let's take another example. Okay, let's read the number first. 7,978 minus 5,322. The same. We should start subtracting from the ones. 8 minus 2 is 6. Good job. 7 minus 2 is 5. 9 minus 3 is 6. Excellent. 7 minus 5 is 2. Excellent. Let's take the final example. Look, we have here 8,005 minus 4,004. Okay, let's do it together. 5 minus 4 is, good job. 0 minus 0 is, excellent. 0 minus 0 is, 8 minus 4 is, excellent. So this is the answer. Good job. So the answer is 4,001. So this is the difference or the answer. Now it's your turn. I want to give you a homework in the same page at page 15. These two questions are homework to do at your home. Let's take another example. Fill in the missing numbers. Look, this is a subtraction problem or a subtraction question. As you can see here, this is the minus sign. So this is a subtraction. Look, we have here missing numbers. We don't know what are these numbers. Let's go ahead and know how to find these numbers. Always start from the ones. Don't start from the thousands. It's not correct, right? So please always start from the ones. Look, here we have number. We don't know what is it. Minus 5 equals 3. Okay, I'm gonna give you a hint. Look, these two numbers are close together. Okay, put a row between these two numbers. Look, put a row. They are close to each other, right? And add them together. Look, 3 plus 5 is 8. Good job. So put 8 here, as you can see. Excellent. Then move to the tens place. It is easy. 2 minus 0 is, good job, it is 0. 2, sorry, it is 2. I'm sorry, 2. Now, let's move to the hundreds place. We have here a number, we don't know what is it. Minus 3 is 1. The same thing, look, the 3 and 1 are close together. So, put a row between them and add them together. 1 plus 3 is 4. Good job. So put 4 inside the box. Excellent. Now move to the thousands place. 4 minus number, we don't know what is it, equals 0. Okay, these two numbers are far away from each other. Okay, so put a row between them and subtract them. Don't add them, subtract. Again, I will repeat. If the two numbers close to each other like the 3 and 5, add them. And like 3 and 1. But if the two numbers are far away from each other like 4 and 0, put a row between them and subtract them. So 4 minus 0 is, excellent, 4. Good job. So this is the answer. So let's read them together. 4,428 minus 4,305 equal, this is the equal sign, 123. Notice that there is no thousands place here, so the answer or the difference is 123. Let's check together the answers. Okay, 8 minus 5 is 3, so our answer is correct. 2 minus 0 is 0. 4 minus 3 is 1. Yay, it's correct. 4 minus 4 is 0. Excellent. And so this is a homework again. This question is a homework. It is in page 15. At the bottom of page 15, this is a homework in your book. Now let's move to the other lesson. The title is Subtracting Two-Digit Numbers with Regrouping in page 16. Again, subtracting two-digit numbers with regrouping in page 16. So we're going to talk about subtraction with two-digit numbers and regrouping. What's the meaning of regrouping? Listen, let's take an example. For example, 42 minus 25. And this is the equal sign. Okay, this line is the equal sign. So the first thing we should look at the tens place. Sorry, the tens. How many tens we have? Excellent, 4 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4 tens. Then look at the ones. How many ones we have? Good job, 2 ones. Now, look at the ones place, please. We're gonna take away 5 minus 2. We cannot do it, right? Can we take away 5 from 2? Can we take here 5 from these two? Absolutely not. We cannot do it. So, what are we gonna do? Now, we should regroup. What's the meaning of regroup? It means take away 10 from the tens, and look, we're gonna take away 10 from the tens and give it to the ones. And so here the ones, it will be 12, right? And the tens becomes 3. So 4 become what? 3, because we take 10 from it. And 2 becomes 12 because we add 10 to it. Then now it's easy to take away 5 from 12. Let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we take away 5 from 12, and here 7 is left. As you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is left. So the answer is 7. Now let's move to the tens. We take away 2 from 3. How many is left? Is 1. Good job. So the answer is 17. The difference is 17. Let's do another example. For example, 63 minus 37. Okay, now without drawing. Okay, we're gonna do it without drawing. First, start with the ones place. We're gonna take away 7 from 3. We cannot do it. Look at 6 and take 1 from 6. It will become 5. This is what is the regroup means. Regroup means take 1 from 6 and it will become 5. Then when the 3 take 1 from 6, it will become 13, as we did before. Just put 1 beside the 3, it will be 13. Now, let's go ahead and subtract. 13 minus 7 is... excellent, 6. Now, move to the tens place. 5 minus 3 is... easy. Good job, 2. So the answer is 26. The answer or the difference is 26. Okay, after understanding how to subtract the numbers, now we're gonna learn how to check your answer. How to check if our answer is correct or not. So this is the last example we did it. We're gonna check if our answer is correct or not. Okay, the first step is to add the difference or the answer with this number. Look, Put a row between these two numbers, between the difference or the answer and this number. Look, and add them together. Like, put here 26, here 26 plus 37, 37. So add two of these numbers together. Let's do it together. 6 plus 7 is 13. Good job. Now 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. So here the answer is 6. It should be this number. So our answer is correct. Again, I will repeat the steps. Add the answer with this number. Add them together. And the answer, it will be the first number here. So this is how to check if your answer is correct or not. Now I'm going to give you a homework, students. And the question is find the difference, then check your answers. Look, here we have 6 questions. You should do it yourself. This is a homework. And to check your answer, don't forget to check your answer by adding the difference with this number. It should be give you this number, okay? And again, this is a homework. These two problems, you can do it vertical like this and do it as we did before. And thank you for watching and see you next time.